So here we are. This is the lower leg. I'm standing next to my shop. There's my bandsaw. There's the jib crane post. We're going to get inside today. I turn around here and there's the upper leg side. And my contractor's girlfriend was just saying what a beautiful piece of property this is. And I totally agree. I've been dreaming about this for 25 years. Okay, here's the electrical coming in. This is a 120 volt panel, or single phase panel actually, 240 and 120. Then I got my digital phase converter next to there. We're gonna put the 3-phase panel, which is down over here, and that's gonna go up on the wall over here above where the, next to the window where the sander and the press are. So that should work out good. Everything will be all contained inside for the shop. Then I'm going to run another 200 over to the house. But first we're going to do this. Okay, I know this is not going to be very spectacular for some of you, but that is a milestone inside the shop. Okay, down here is where the shower pan goes. Got a bunch of trash here, and the sink is gonna go over there, but we're plumbed in and capped off and good. Toilet's there, and we're gonna get electricity going to the septic today.